Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken games using PPSSPP. First, you will need to download the official PPSSPP emulator. It is available for many platforms, including Windows, Android, and iOS. After downloading, install it on your device by following the straightforward instructions. Once installed, open the emulator and perform some initial setup, like adjusting basic graphics and control settings to ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience right from the start. Next, you will need to obtain the Tekken game files. It is important to legally acquire these, for example, by converting your own physical PSP game discs into digital ROMs. Make sure the game files are in a format that PPSSPP can read, typically an ISO or CSO file. Once you have your game files, place them into a dedicated folder on your device where they can be easily located by the emulator. Now that your emulator is set up and you have your game files, it is time to play. Open the PPSSPP application and look for the Load or Games option, usually prominent on the main screen. From there, simply browse to the folder where you saved your Tekken game files. Select the specific game you wish to play, and PPSSPP will load it, allowing you to jump into the action immediately. To further enhance your gaming, explore PPSSPP extensive settings. You can fine-tune graphics options, like rendering resolution or texture filtering, to achieve either stunning visuals or a super smooth frame rate. Also, customize your control mappings to ensure maximum comfort and precision during intense battles. Don't forget to use handy features such as save states to pause anywhere, and fast forward to skip tedious parts, making your Tekken experience even better.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.